Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to customize iPhone notification sound. Here are two basic methods to customize the notification sound on an iPhone. First method, customize notification sounds for specific apps. Open Settings, tap on Notifications, scroll down, and choose the app you want to customize. For example, Messages. Change sound. Look for the sounds option and choose it. Choose a notification tone from the list of available sounds by tapping on it. Last method, set a custom ringtone or alert tone. Open the iTunes Store app and purchase a ringtone or alert tone. So for example, we already bought a ringtone on iTunes. So now, let us proceed to Settings, Sounds and Haptics. Here, choose the type of alert, for example, text tone or new mail. Choose your custom tone from the list if you preferred. Additional tips, some third-party apps, for example, WhatsApp, have built-in settings to customize notification sounds directly within the app. To add custom tones, you might need to use iTunes on a computer to sync new sound files to your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.